Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where you stand. Open Settings, Battery Health, and note the percentage and any performance messages. Once done, update iOS so charging algorithms are current, because firmware changes can help manage battery wear. Next, clear the immediate load. Close or offload power-hungry apps and turn off background app refresh for apps you seldom use. This reduces cycles and heat. Make sure to disable unnecessary widgets and location access, since heat and constant usage accelerate capacity loss. Now refine how you charge. Enable optimized battery charging in settings so your iPhone learns your routine and delays the last 20% of charge until needed. You should aim to keep the battery between roughly 20% and 80% for routine days, because shallow cycles reduce wear versus repeated full discharges. Use Apple-certified cables and adapters to ensure correct voltage and minimize heat. If you must fast charge, do it sparingly. Heat from rapid charging is a major cause of long-term capacity decline. To finish, do a calibration occasionally. Let the device discharge to 0%, and then charge uninterrupted to 100% once a month to help reporting accuracy, not to boost chemistry. Keep your phone out of hot cars and off direct sun. Ideal operating temps are between 0 degrees and 35 degrees C because high heat accelerates aging. If battery health readings or behavior seem incorrect, restart and reset settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics or battery replacement. Service may be required to restore capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.